The nectar of the gods. That's what some people choose to call coconut water. It may be a bit of an exaggeration, but we at Dherbs actually can't be mad at them. After all, coconut water is more than just a trendy drink. It's actually one of the best natural sources of electrolytes. You just have to be careful. A lot of bottled varieties you find in stores can go through intense pasteurization. They often contain preservatives, added sugars, flavors, and unhealthy concentrate. All of that said, we recommend drinking coconut water straight from the coconut. Fresh, raw coconut water is rich in fiber, protein, and many other nutrients. Plus, there's a wealth of other benefits. As usual, we've got those covered for you. This week, we're covering the top 5 reasons to drink coconut water. Let's get into the madness. Number 1, boost hydration. A drink boosts your hydration? No duh, right? Well, in actuality, it's not quite that simple. A lot of times, we pick up sports drinks thinking that they'll be the best option, especially when working out. However, the sugar content in processed ingredients will actually dehydrate the body. As an alternative, opt for coconut water. Research has shown that an exercising body responds positively to a drink of fresh coconut water before a workout. Unlike the latest sports drink, the natural electrolytes provide much-needed energy by giving you a true boost in hydration. Number 2, boost immune function. You heard it here first. Coconut water contains antiviral and antibacterial properties. Both help to enhance immune function, supplying the body with necessary nutrients and keeping your defense up to par. To sweeten the deal, coconut water's inherent antioxidants assist in the battle against oxidative stress, a dangerous imbalance in your cells and tissues. Just keep in mind that most bottled varieties go through pasteurization, reducing antioxidant content. As such, make sure to get it straight from the source, the center of a young green coconut. Number 3, anti-aging properties. Worried about your future appearance? Well, we've got good news for you. Coconut water is rich in cytokinins, hormones that help plants to grow. According to several studies, these compounds have anti-aging properties that hydrate the skin, helping it appear youthful and glowing. They also calm radical damage and improve your skin's elasticity, meaning you can dip that straw in and kiss wrinkles goodbye. Number 4, boosts heart health. People with poor heart health and high blood pressure often have disproportionate levels of electrolytes. Potassium, as an essential electrolyte that helps to balance fluid and electrolyte levels, can be a great solution for that. And you'll never guess where you can find an abundance of potassium. That's right, coconut water. It's a great source of the mineral. In fact, an 8-ounce glass of coconut water contains as much potassium as a banana. And that's not even mentioning the magnesium content. For optimal heart health, we recommend a cup of fresh coconut water every morning, just to balance those electrolytes out and start your day fresh. Number 5, great for the muscles. One of the key nutrients your muscles run off of is calcium. In fact, muscles require calcium almost as much as your bones and teeth do, since it assists in the recovery process of broken down muscle fibers. Now, coconut water isn't necessarily high in calcium, however, it is high in magnesium. Magnesium is needed to deliver both calcium and potassium to the muscles, aiding with proper contraction and relaxation. It's not all-encompassing, but if you're already consuming the recommended intake of these minerals, coconut water can be a great little raise to these numbers. So, convinced that coconut water is a super drink? Well, you should be. Here at Dherbs, we recommend you add it into your everyday diet. It may just be the drink you need to get you on the healthier path. That's all for this week. Drop a comment below. Tell us how you really feel. See you next week for another Dherbs Weekly Top 5.